Singapore has experienced more frequent bouts of intense rainfall in recent times. These trends are expected to continue with climate change. In order to cope with more intense storms and reduce flood risks, Singapore's National Water Agency (PUB) continually upgrades Singapore's drainage infrastructure. The Stamford Diversion Canal and Stamford Detention Tank are drainage projects that were designed to improve stormwater management within the Stamford catchment area.
Due to space constraints, PUB was unable to widen or deepen the existing Stamford Canal without causing great disruptions to businesses, motorists and pedestrians at Orchard Road. The solution was then to construct a diversion canal to divert excess stormwater and a detention tank to temporarily collect and hold back excess stormwater during heavy rain events.
To build the Stamford Diversion Canal, engineers constructed 1 kilometre of box culverts ranging from 7 to 14 metres wide. A pair of 1 kilometre long tunnels were also constructed in densely built-up areas to minimise disruptions to residents and motorists. To build the tunnels, a 14-metre deep shaft was first constructed. A 100-metre long tunnel boring machine with an excavator face of 5 metres in diameter was then assembled in the shaft. As the tunnel boring machine digs through the soil, it lays concrete segments to form the tunnel wall.
Previously, the stormwater runoff from upstream areas such as Holland Road and Napier Road areas would flow into the Stamford Canal, which is sited under Orchard Road. With this new diversion canal, stormwater runoff from these upstream areas will be channeled towards the Singapore River, therefore reducing the load on existing Stamford Canal.
The second drainage improvement project for the Stamford catchment involves the construction of a detention tank underneath the Tyersall Learning Forest and National Orchid Gardens nursery to retain the excess stormwater. The tank draws water from the existing drain along Holland Road. An overflow weir with 6 5-metre wide gates was constructed to control the amount of water to be diverted into the tank. Pipe jacking machines were used to build a pair of 2.5-metre diameter pipes that connects the tank to the overflow weir.
By holding back excess stormwater during heavy rain event, the Stamford Detention Tank will slow down stormwater that enters the Stamford Diversion Canal. This automated facility can collect and retain 38,000 cubic meters of stormwater, which is equivalent to the volume of 15 Olympic-sized pools. After the heavy rain subsides, the tank will release the water back to the empty drains.
The Stamford Detention Tank and Stamford Diversion Canal are all-encompassing engineering projects that were realised with the dedication and hard work of the engineers. With the completion of the Stamford Detention Tank and Stamford Diversion Canal, we can now divert 30% of the stormwater away from the Stamford Canal, thereby lowering the flood risk to the Orchard Road area. Projects such as these are testament to PUB's commitment to continuously improve our stormwater management and infrastructure to enhance flood protection for Singapore.